Hello, I am Aking. Welcome to the Idea Kingdom channel. Can you hear the sound of rain? Koreans have a tradition of making and eating pancake on rainy days, with many varieties like a seafood pancake and potato pancake. Today, I want to introduce you to kimchi pancake. It is called 김치전. Do you think the sound of a pancake flying and rain falling are similar? I'd love to hear if there are any special food eaten on a rainy day in your country. Please share in the comments. Kimchi pancakes are made with kimchi. Kimchi is a traditional Korean food made from vegetables like cabbage that are fermented and mixed with spice seasoning like red pepper and garlic. It tastes tangy, a little spicy, and is very healthy because it has a probiotic which are good for the intestines. Kimchi is more than just food. It is an important part of Korean culture and history. There is a tradition called Gimjang, where people come together to make and store kimchi for the winter. This tradition is so special that UNESCO recognized it as part of World Heritage in 2013. Whether you like a kimchi spice, mild, fresh, or aged, there is a type of kimchi for everyone to enjoy. Kimchi is becoming more popular all over the world and is loved by many people. When it's raining and you really want to eat kimchi pancake, but you don't have any kimchi, and chopping kimchi is too much of a hassle, I can suggest an idea to make a kimchi pancake easily.
Dear Korea, 진짜 한국, Idea Kingdom.
김치전믹스 offers an easy and convenient way to make a delicious 김치전 at home. With a minimal preparation, you can enjoy the taste of Korea in no time. Let's open 김치전믹스. $80 grams of 김치전믹스, 130 grams of kimchi sauce. Now let's make it. Let's learn about ingredients and tools. Ingredients: 김치전믹스 80 grams, water 110 ml, kimchi sauce 130 grams, cooking oil. Tools: large mixing bowl, spatula, frying pan, toner or hot dog press. I hope you have a great time making 김치전, enjoying the progress and experience a real Korean culture. Now, to make a 김치전, first prepare 80 grams of 김치전 mix. Add 110 ml of water to 80 grams of 김치전 mix. Be careful not to add too much water. And then add 130 grams of kimchi sauce to it. Preheat a frying pan and add cooking oil. Heat over medium heat. Make sure to add enough oil so 김치전 doesn't burn. If you don't have a hot dog press, you can use the bottom of a bowl or tunnel. Fry back and forth for 5 minutes to completely delicious 김치전. Please press firmly. Press to remove moisture. You see the bubble? As the moisture dries off, the 김치전 becomes crispy on the outside and moisture on the inside. This is 겉바속촉 김치전. You learned about the 겉바속촉 when making hot dog. If any of our Aking friends haven't seen it, please refer to the video. 김치전's are crunchy and spicy, not really spicy. On a rainy days, you can enjoy more fun and special time. or making them with your family or friends. How did you enjoy experience Korean Kimchi전 culture at home? Today I made a simple Kimchi전 using KimchJeon믹스. Koreans sometimes add squid, onion and pepper to their kimchi전 according to their taste. Dear Aking friends of Idea Kingdom, today we learned why Koreans eat kimchi전 on rainy days and how to easily make a kimchi전. The next time it rains, be sure to try making kimchi전. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 상상이 현실이 되다.
리얼 코리아, 진짜 한국, 아이디어 킹덤.
Okay friends, have a fun. Make a happy every day with Idea Kingdom. 또 만나요. See you next time. Please don't forget subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Love you.